What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, still working on this. So more sound editing went in, more parts came in. So I picked up some of this lovely wood glue. Now, if I had one of the big spray guns, I would have gone the sprayable version. But this contact cement is no joke, and yeah, it's going to be good. So they have a non-flammable version. It's literally like Elmer's glue. So I don't like it. It takes forever to dry, and I don't feel it's as sticky. Then let's flip around to my big. So been peeling a lot of stuff. So the interior is finally all wrapped up with that stuff. Well, you can see that. There we go. Got some light. So, tunnel's done. I probably will do some more in the back. I still got to do around the battery area there. Just keep vibration down or tinging down. But yeah, it is all wrapped up. So from there, I got glue. I had the liner, and I finally got the carpet. So here is what I'm using. It is non-backed, like speaker box carpet, except it's all black. It's not that weird sandstone gray stuff. So the car originally had some blue stuff just like it. It worked, so why not? And then I was looking into other stuff. Also, more wrapping mess from peeling all this damn paper off. The cotton matting stuff. That stuff's expensive. And then I was thinking about it, it's like, you know what? They did glue this straight to the floor. It held, there was just rust. There's rust in this car. There's still rust in the car. This car is still rusting, and it's been indoors for almost a year because of crappy prep work or crappy prep work. I don't know. So now that I have the floor literally all sealed off here, I will try the matting to help quiet it down even more, because it's definitely better with the sound deadening paper. Like that cluster, huh? Looks nice. The cluster. But yeah, I would like to have it nice and quiet and not have to do like 3 layers of this stuff, because with the bug, the other stuff I bought was really thick and the floor was flat. It was way easier to do. But that is where we're at. We are finished doing that. I'll probably cut out that matting. I mean, if it's good for your house, it should be good for a car, maybe? I don't know. I know I talked shit about it earlier, but that was because the floor was rusty. But now that I think about it, a lot of the car's still rusty. So maybe it was a good idea. I don't know. But the other stuff, like what's in the seats there, that shit's really flammable. So I figure foam's not that bad because, you know, new cars, all the seats are foam. So that's what I am thinking. So let's cut to a video with the carpet laid out just to see what it looks like. So this is just loosely thrown in there. Here's a better look at it. It's not hook and loop. I don't have a sewing machine. I am not that good, but loosely thrown in there, give you an idea. Yeah, I think that looks good. So now comes probably pulling the shifter out to make life easier. That way I could mold it, glue it, trim it, whatever. And that is 80 inches by 2 yards. And that was $48, I think. So that was 48 bucks. If I use the foam there, that house foam, it was 6 feet by 8 feet. That was 30 bucks. And well, the tar paper was like 18 bucks. Took three-ish rolls to do it. I still got a bunch left over, and the glue was, come on glue, there you are. It was like 20 bucks. You could use 3M Super 77 or something like that, but I tried using it in another car. When the car gets hot, like during the summer, where it's like, baking cookies hot, the glue came apart and melted. So that's why I've been using the Wellwood glue or 3M Super Weather Stripping glue. That stuff is a pretty high temp, but it's expensive. It comes in a little tube. So there's the carpet. That is my update. Still need to hunt down to change the color of this, and of course the rest of the blue, but we'll start with the floor. So Happy New Year's, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever Kings, I don't know what holidays are coming up, but anyways, Happy New Year's. Take care, people. Peace out.